Hello friends, welcome back to your channel HIT, Hack, Idea and Trick for Speedy HIT number 17. One of the toughest tasks is to clean ceiling fan. Because first we have to clean this fan and then we have to clean the mess which it creates. I have recently found out that it will no longer be a problem which I was facing earlier. For that, we have to use any old pillow cover. With that, you would also require any cleaner. Take help of stairs or stool to reach the ceiling height. Spray the cleaner properly all across the blade and your blades will be ready to wipe. Take the pillow cover and put the blades inside completely. Then hold them from each side properly and take out the dust of blades by sliding the pillow cover slowly. Repeat this process with each blade and you can use same cloth to wipe off the rest of the part with it. With this way, the dust will not fall on the floor and you would not require to clean the floor after cleaning fan. Do try this method and let me know if it works for you as well.